Bunnibi, and today I'm going to be unboxing some random blind boxes. So first up, we have the Pusheen Surprise Minis Series 2. There are 9 different figures to collect, which is super awesome. Alright, let's get into it. We got the Pusheen on a macaron. That is so adorable. She's just chilling on top of it. This figure is about 1.5 inches tall, so she's pretty small. Next, we are going to unbox the Pusheen Surprise Plush Blind Box. Here are all the different ones you can collect, and there is one mystery one. Alright, let's open it up. The bag has little Pusheens all over it, which is cute. Alright, we got the Pusheen holding a soda, and she has sunglasses on her head. So cute. She is about 2 1/4 inches tall. Next, we have another Pusheen Surprise Plush Blind Box. We got the hamster with a beach ball. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I love him. He's about 2.5 inches tall. Next, I have these 2 Sailor Moon Gashapon capsules. These were at GameStop, so that was pretty cool. So first, we have Sailor Moon. They are these cute little keychains. They're actually really pretty. So cool. They're about 1.5 inches tall. This one is Sailor Jupiter. Those are really pretty. They're very well made too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Quick reminder, when I reach 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway for a Sailor Moon Figuarts mini. I'll leave a link to the video in the description. Likes and subscribes are greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!